And the Lord Gold looking for the lead, but here comes entry number 14 or number 9. That's Para Sa Amin. Around the outside now is Deadly Storm. Passing the winning pose, Para Sa Amin, Deadly Storm, running by the wheel, Tremendous Ethan. Moving up now, Atoy for us. Alongside is Real Heaven, Lady Colonel, now the outside. And going along for the first turn. And out of first turn, Para Sa Amin, leading Balang, followed by Deadly Storm, moving up, Light Attendant, Tremendous Ethan, Atoy for us, Real Heaven, Balubaran's Pride, then followed by Don Don's entry, around the outside now, Sabo the Champagne, then followed by Lady Colonel, moving up, Rising Star, long way back, Lord Gold, entry number 3, Malihim, while Best Strike is running in a tail of the field. Nearing the last 600, Para Sa Amin, still leading the pack, followed by Flight Attendant and Deadly Storm now the outside, and moving up now to take fourth is Real Heaven. Inside the last 400, Para Sa Amin, Deadly Storm now the outside, and moving up a long shot, Rising Star as they hit the final turn. It's Para Sa Amin, Deadly Storm, Rising Star, but still Para Sa Amin and Deadly Storm on the outside, running in third is Rising Star, but still Para Sa Amin leads by some 2 lengths now, and finally Para Sa Amin, Deadly Storm, Rising Star, Malihim.
9-14-4, 3-2-10.